Are you the one who loves to make Sabudana Khichdi but it always turns out to be sticky and mushy? Then watch the video till the end and learn how to make a perfect Khili Khili Sabudana Khichdi. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The very first step is the most important step to make a non-sticky khichdi. You have to wash the sabudana for 2 to 3 times nicely till you get rid of the white starchy water. Another crucial step is to make sure that you use very little water for soaking sabudana. Just 1 cup of water for 1 cup of sabudana. Now take 3 tablespoons of peanuts and dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes until they become crunchy. Now we'll take half of those peanuts and crush them with our hand like this and grind the other half into a coarse powder. 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan, and once it starts to smoke, add in cumin seeds. Also add in 2 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and diced into small pieces. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until they start becoming crispy. Now add 8 to 10 curry leaves for a wonderful flavor. I'm adding 2 green chillies and some chopped ginger. Cook them for a minute, and now it's time to add some salt and also adding half a teaspoon of sugar, which is completely optional, but it really rounds the taste and enhances all the flavors. We'll check our soaked sabudana. All the water has been absorbed and the sabudana is nice and soft. Mix all the sabudana with the potatoes nicely. After a minute, add in the peanut powder that we just made. Stir it well. Now cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the sabudana starts to turn transparent. Sprinkle some black pepper. Also some crushed peanuts that give a really nice texture. Now turn the flame off and squeeze in half a lemon. This will give a really nice freshness to our Sabudana Khichdi. You can also add in some coriander leaves for garnishing. And our tasty Navratri special breakfast is ready. Just a few important steps to follow and you'll get the desired non-sticky Khili Khili Khichdi. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked the video, and I'll share more such yummy recipes with you. Till then, take care, stay healthy and keep cooking.